Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In this video, I am going to discuss about music composers. Music is the highest form of creativity. Music is the universal language of mankind. Anyone from any part of the world can feel the emotion of music irrespective of their speaking language. Plato once said, "Music gives a soul to the universe, wing to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything." Oftentimes, music is used as a therapy. In fact, music is one of the longest standing self-prescribed therapy in history. Music can heal the wounds that medicines cannot touch. In this video, I am going to discuss about the astrological combinations for music composer. First, let us see the key houses and planets for music composers. In astrology, the third house rules musical skills, the fifth house rules creativity, and ninth house calls for deep understanding. The sign Taurus and Libra, ruled by Venus, are important signs for music composers. The third sign of the zodiac, Gemini, is also important. The Venus is the key planet for music composers. The Mercury, the planet of intelligence, and Jupiter, the planet of knowledge, are also important for music composers. Well-placed Rahu in the third house would give skills in Western composition. Well-placed Moon with Venus would give ability to compose a music that connects emotion. Now let us see few example horoscope to understand the astrological combinations for music composers. First we will see the horoscope of J.S. Bach. Bach was a German composer and musician. He is known for his instrumental compositions such as Brandenburg concertos and the Goldberg variations. He has been generally regarded as one of the greatest composers of all time. He is noted for his mastery of counterpoint, harmonic, and motivic organization. The birth details of J.S. Bach is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of J.S. Bach. The ascendant is Gemini, the musical sign. I have already mentioned the fifth house rules creativity and ninth house calls for deep understanding. The ascendant lord Mercury, who is the planet of intelligence, occupies ninth house with fifth lord Venus, who is also the planet of music, and the planet of emotion Moon, aspected by ninth lord Saturn. The third house represents musical skills. The third lord Sun occupies 10th house, the house of profession, aspected by 10th lord Jupiter, who is also the planet of knowledge. From Moon, the 5th lord Mercury and 9th lord Venus are conjoined, aspected by Saturn. So in this horoscope, the ascendant is Gemini, the sign of musical skill. The ascendant lord Mercury conjoined with musical planet Venus and the planet of emotion Moon, aspected by 9th lord Saturn. Third lord Sun occupying 10th house, aspected by Jupiter. And from Moon, the 5th lord Mercury and 9th lord Venus conjoined and aspected by Saturn are highly auspicious combinations for his noted compositions. Bach's Brandenburg concertos is believed to be composed during 1721 during his Saturn Mahadasha Venus Bhukti. Next we will see the horoscope of Naushad Ali. Naushad was an acclaimed Indian music director. He is considered to be one of the greatest and foremost music directors of Hindi film industry. He is particularly known for popularizing the use of classical music in films. Naushad was conferred with Dada Saheb Phalke Award and Padma Bhushan Award for his extraordinary contribution to the music. The birth details of Naushad is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Naushad Ali. The ascendant is Cancer. The ascendant lord Moon occupies 7th house, aspected by the exalted 9th lord Jupiter. The Venus, the planet of music, occupies 4th house and aspects 10th house. Third house rules musical skills and 5th house rules creativity. Mark the parivartana between 3rd lord Mercury and 5th lord Mars. That is, the 3rd lord Mercury occupies 5th house and 5th lord Mars occupies 3rd house. From Moon, the third lord Jupiter exalted in 7th house, aspecting 3rd house. From Moon, the 10th house is occupied by musical planet Venus. So in this horoscope, the exaltation of 9th lord Jupiter in Lagna, the parivartana between 3rd lord Mercury and 5th lord Mars. From Moon, the 3rd lord Jupiter exalted in 7th house, and from Moon, the 10th house occupied by musical planet Venus are highly auspicious combinations for his highly successful musical career. In 1940, during Rahu Mahadasha Shatan Bhukti, Naushad composed music for his first film, and during his entire Rahu and Jupiter Mahadasha, he became the most acclaimed music director of Indian cinema. Next, we will see the horoscope of R.D. Burman. R.D. Burman was an acclaimed Indian music director. He was a predominant musical force that Indian cinema has ever witnessed. R.D. Burman composed musical scores for more than 300 films. He served as an influencer to the next generation of Indian music directors. The birth details of R.D. Burman is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of R.D. Burman. The ascendant is Leo. The ascendant lord Sun occupies 11th house Gemini, the sign of music composers. The 3rd house rules musical skills. The 3rd house is occupied by emotional planet Moon and western planet Rahu. The 3rd lord Venus, who is the planet of music composers, occupies 10th house. The 10th house occupied by Venus in own house creates Malvya Yoga, which is highly auspicious combination for a music composer. The 9th lord Mars exalted in 6th house, aspecting 9th house and Lagna. From Moon, the 10th house is occupied by the planet of intelligence Mercury, aspected by Jupiter. So in this horoscope, the 3rd lord Venus, who is the planet of music composers, occupying 10th house, creating Malvya Yoga. The 3rd house occupied by emotional planet Moon and Rahu. The 9th lord exalted in 6th house, aspecting 9th house and Lagna. From Moon and 10th house occupied by Mercury and aspected by Jupiter are highly auspicious combination for his successful musical career. R.D. Burman composed music for more than 300 films between 1960 to 1990 during his Saturn and Mercury Mahadasha. Next, we will see the horoscope of Ilayaraja. Ilayaraja is an Indian film composer, singer, songwriter, instrumentalist, orchestrator, conductor, arranger and lyricist. He has composed more than 7,000 songs and provided film scores for more than 1,000 movies. Ilayaraja is the first Asian to compose full symphony. He was awarded India's second highest civilian honor, Padma Vibhushan, in 2018. The birth details of Ilayaraja is given here for your reference. This is the horoscope of Ilayaraja. The ascendant is Taurus, the Venusian sign, the sign of music composers. The 3rd house rules musical skills. Mark the parivartana between ascendant lord Venus and 3rd lord Moon. That is, the ascendant lord Venus occupies 3rd house and 3rd lord Moon exalted in ascendant. The Venus, the planet of music composer, occupies 3rd house with exalted Jupiter and western planet Rahu. The conjunction of musical planet Venus, exalted Jupiter and western planet Rahu is the key combination for his claimed skills in western compositions. The 5th house rules creativity and 9th house rules deep understanding. The 5th lord Mercury, 9th lord Saturn are conjoined in ascendant with exalted Moon and Sun. So in this horoscope, the ascendant being Taurus, the musician sign, the parivartana between Lagna lord Venus and 3rd lord Moon, the exaltation of 3rd lord Moon in Lagna, and the conjunction of musical planet Venus, exalted Jupiter and Rahu in 3rd house are the key combination for his highly successful musical career. Ilayaraja composed music for his first film in 1976, during Jupiter Mahadasha Mercury Bhukti. He became the most noted composer of Indian film music during his Jupiter and Saturn Mahadasha. Let me quickly summarize. In astrology, the third house rules musical skills, the fifth house rules creativity, and ninth house calls for deep understanding. The sign Taurus and Libra ruled by Venus are the important signs for music composers. The third sign of the zodiac, Gemini, is also important. The Venus is the key planet for music composers. The Mercury, the planet of intelligence, and the Jupiter, the planet of knowledge, are also important for music composers. Well-placed Rahu in the third house would give skills in the Western composition. Well-placed Moon with Venus would give the ability to compose music that connects emotion. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.